What's up, folks? Welcome to the Best Time Outdoor Show. Here's a quick video of how to put together a Camco sewer hose and a Camco bayonet sewer hose adapter. You can't really buy them assembled. In the past, you could. There they are. I'm gonna pop it open. Whoa. Great glasses, baby. A lot of stuff popped up. There are instructions, but I've done this a few times already. So basically, get the hose. You kind of twist it on, and then you lock it. This is the adapter. This is the twist mechanism, lock mechanism. Here's the hose. Take it out. This one is a 10-footer. Like so. Here, this is the part that's going to be hard. Getting this in there can be tough. So what you want to do is expand that a little bit. Now carefully twist it in, and don't do it too fast because you can cut yourself. So do it slow. Make sure you don't cut yourself. Let it in. Turn it. Turning it's the best way. It gets it in there. Oh, that's annoying. Okay, so you want to start with getting this lip up, right? Get that in. Start twisting. Here we go with that. This is why I hate these hoses. But that's all they have at Walmart. Get it in there. There, see? There's that lip I'm talking about. You can grab it. Push it upwards. Like so. So there, the ring is in now. Getting that lip in there. And once that's in there, you can slowly work it upwards. Like so. See, I'm slowly grabbing it like this. Working it in. One ring at a time. You see that? Now I kind of have it in. I'm just going to keep working it like a slinky. Okay, here we go. There, more, better. Twist it, twist it more. Look at that. More. Keep going. There, it's almost there. Couple more twists. There. Ooh. That is in. So I'm gonna get it all the way in. Bit more, couple of more twists. There. Now it's up. See how there's no more room? That's what you want. On alone, this is really tight, right? But here, that's what I'm talking about. This twisting thing. Now you got the option to lock it. So what you got to do is push it in first to start the threading. Kind of like a screw thread, but not a screw thread. I'm going to try to make it clear. So you see that little starting thread here? Looks like this. Try to make it clear as possible. That's the starting thread, okay? As that moves in, it catches underneath that thread. And now, as you turn it, it'll just keep going lower and lower and lower through these rings, okay? See now the second ring, keep going. At this point, it's extremely tight, right? And that's locked in good. It ain't moving. So the more you turn it now, the tighter it gets. And basically, I'm gonna say at this point it's ready. I haven't field tested it, but it's tight, real tight. This should be good for a sewer hose for quite a while until they break. They don't break often, but when they do, it sucks. So this is how you do a new one. It's just at Walmart, any Canadian Tire, any not Costco. Well, in Canada it's Canadian Tire and Walmart. In US it's Walmart and whatever compartment stores you have. So that's how you do it. The Camco sewer bayonet hose adapter and the 10-footer. You can also get a 20-foot, some extensions, whatever, but that's how you do it. I hope that helps you. Peace out.